Hello, this is my Chapter 12 exercises. For this week, we're asked to create a view named Customer Addresses that shows the shipping and billing addresses for each customer. So as you can see, I have here a create view as Customer Addresses. I added this replace view, which was explained on, I believe it was example 1. And then we have a select where we list the columns. But down here I wanted to show the inner join tables, or the join, where I joined the customers table and the addresses table. Here you can see we have the billing address ID and the customers table joined to the address ID in the addresses table. And we did the same thing for the shipping addresses to the address ID and the address table. Then we have the customer IDs, email address, last name, and first name from the customers table. And then we have these line 1, line 2, city, state, and zip code for the billing address. And then we have the same thing for the shipping address. And then it asks to order them by last name and then by first name. So if we go ahead and run that, you can see that we had no errors and that it ran smoothly. Then we could go down to customer addresses, run that, and see our results here. Then for exercise 2, we're asked to write a select statement that returns these columns from the customer addresses view that is created in exercise 1. They wanted the customer ID, the last name, the first name, and the build item line 1. And if we run that, you can see that we have the customer IDs, last name, first name, and then the build line 1. Exercise 3 asks to write an update statement that updates the customers table using the customer addresses view you created in exercise 1. It says to set the shipping address to 1990 Westwood Boulevard for the customer ID of 8. So we have an update customer addresses, which is the view table here. And then it says to set the ship line 1 equal to 1990 Westwood Boulevard, where the customer ID equals 8. Now, if we run this, we get this error code. And in the chapter, it explains to us that to have a updatable table, we'd have to, it cannot contain an order by clause. So we get rid of that. We'll run that one more time. And then we could run this one. And as you can see, we got the green light for that. And if we run it one more time, you can see that 8 was changed to 1990 Westwood Boulevard.